Happy birthday to you. Woo! Dan, was that fish swimming upside down?
What?
Was that fish swimming upside down?
Well, it looked like it, but it's not.
Watch out for your goatees and mustaches. Hello, Badger Nation. It's Angie Mama Badger, and I hope that you stay tuned in and watching because this episode is about Sonny and his birthday. He had the best birthday ever. You're going to see us starting out at the lodge when we leave Eureka Springs after the Wild Hog poker run and the Spring Fling bike rally. We end up going to the Harley-Davidson dealership there in Eureka Springs and putting out our posters and getting our picture taken in front of the Ornery Ones Stomping Grounds banner. Of course, thank you to them. Shout out for putting one of our World Record Poker Run posters in their location so that others know about it. But yes, we end up going to what's called the Roaring River in Cassville, Missouri. The Ozarks HD Riders crew, Dan and Brenda, had never been before, and it's one of Sonny's favorite places to go. Stay tuned as you get to watch us adventure through that area. Oh, and I'm going to throw in some video of what happened after we went through that area too. Some kind of disaster, actually. And the very end is Sonny ending up at his favorite place in Springfield, Missouri for dinner, Nakados. And he got to spend the evening with his sister, Aunt Linda, and his brother-in-law, Kim, John Michael, and Destiny, as well with Andy's frozen custard at the end because, damn, this guy is spoiled. Ready? You guys are ready to go?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Which will not do. May the good Lord bless and keep you. Happy birthday to you and many more.
Oh, thank you guys.
Aww, that was awesome.
All warm and fuzzy.
Yes. And he hates birthdays, and you guys.
So do I.
Yeah, he's like,
My next one's going to be my retirement birthday.
Brenda's retirement birthday. Woohoo!
Yeah. January, she's quitting her job.
Tomorrow's my tired birthday.
Tired birthday.
You got a long way to go to catch up with me.
There you go, Sonny. Now, happy birthday's coming in.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Tomorrow we'll be hitting the road. We're going to follow you guys and go
So, as most of you know, tomorrow's my birthday.
That was so somber.
Why don't you show them how you appreciated your song you just got, Sonny?
What I would love for you guys to do.
All right.
Yeah.
Get off the bikes. Gotta. Yep. Head over there to the hatchery portion, and then a big rocks behind me. There's a cave, and we're gonna go check that out. Here we go.
Right?
Just great.
Hands out of water.
What? I can't
Keep off, Dad. What is that?
She wants a picture.
Put your finger in there.
Playing with the fishes.
Yeah.
See? It's cold
Will
water.
they bite?
No. They don't have any teeth, baby.
No, they don't.
No.
Oh.
See?
Then why are you jumping? Why are you
Because I
jumping,
wasn't
honey?
expecting to touch them. Figured they'd stay away.
Are they hot?
No, they're right there. I'm touching. Well, there's a lookout right straight above the cave.
That right there takes you there?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I'll be darned.
See how big those
that's
guys
a nice
are?
one.
Yeah.
Shit, so's that one.
Yeah.
There's a tan one.
Yeah. There's a... What are you swimming upside down? I gotta get that. Damn thing swimming upside down.
Which one?
Or is it a different color?
It's a different
It's
color.
a different color.
That
There's
one is.
tan ones.
So is that one.
One's a belly.
That one.
See, there's some tan ones out
Look at how big he is. Look at him.
Oh my God.
Now that.
That's huge.
That's a nice damn trout.
The water's just so clear
It is.
and cold.
Well, I've never seen a kind of tannish yellow color.
I haven't either. I don't know what they are.
That was pretty. Nice. That big old red stripe right down the side.
Just like a rainbow, huh?
Yep. I've never seen them fan looking.
I've never either.
They stick out like a sword.
So funny. It's swimming upside down.
Which feeds all the spring. You can see how it's rushing out here?
Yep.
There's a natural spring in here.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the info on it. Beginning of Roaring River, and is the only water for the hatchery.
Say it again.
The spring is the 20th largest in Missouri. It is the beginning of Roaring River, and it's the only water for the hatchery. The spring produces an average of 20.4 million gallons of water daily.
Dang.
The largest spring in Missouri, Big Spring, averages 283 million gallons each day.
Man, that's a
Dang,
lot
that's
of
a lot of water.
Like I said, it's ice cold.
Park on its way to Table Rock Lake, 4 miles downstream from the park boundary. Look how deep it is. 224 feet unexplored beyond this point. 1979, divers exploring the spring made its way out to the bottom, 224 feet. The diver in the photograph is inspecting the colossal dome room air-filled chamber that can only be reached from underwater. I couldn't bear to go underwater that long. I'd be afraid I couldn't come back up.
I know, it would kind of freak me out.
To have something totally encased you? No.
Yeah.
Watch the gravel. Hi guys, welcome to Roaring River State Park. We just left the hatchery. I think Mama Badger's got some video of that.
Yes, I do.
And then this all is like the fishing area. So the way this works is they release fish every day. You buy a daily fishing tag, and basically they blow a horn in the morning when you can fish, and then again at night when you stop fishing. So my dad used to bring me here to go camping, and we get up at the butt crack of dawn because that's what time the whistle blew, and you wanted to be fishing when the whistle blew because that's when the fish were used to feeding, so that was when you'd catch the most fish. You can see each little section is its own little like pond, and then they have a little waterfall, and the fish like to be right underneath that waterfall.
It's funny when you see him jumping up, trying to go backwards.
They have all kinds of campgrounds down here. Just a really cool, if you're in the area, it ain't very far from Eureka Springs, maybe 20 miles.
Yeah.
But if you're in the area, I highly recommend coming and visiting Roaring River State Park. It's just beautiful. You know, I can almost do the snowbird thing.
can almost what?
I can almost do the snowbird thing. Spend a few months in Missouri and then the rest in Florida. Be in my helmet. That sucks. Oh, we got out. Yay! And he didn't sting me.
Yay.
Make like sheep and get the fuck out of here. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging with us. Going to Roaring River with us. Now we're headed to my sister's house to celebrate my birthday.
Yeah, it's probably the end of the road for us, huh?
For today, anyway.
You'll throw in some pictures.
I'm sure we will.
Ricardo's dinner snack, but that's it for spring fling. Winter fling.
Spring has flung, and the only day that felt like spring was the day it ended. Today.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful today, so we'll take it. Hi, guys. We'll talk to you later. Remember, if you like videos like this, be sure to hit that.
Subscribe button.
Be sure to ring that.
Bell.
Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and leave your
Comment. And we answer them all.
And remember, guys, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the ride.
See ya!